everyone, I'm Leila. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited for today's video because we are going to be doing some baking. Now, if you know me, I absolutely love baking. I love experimenting in the kitchen. I love creating new recipes. And for today's video, I am going to be sharing one of my own. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chocolate chip cookies. But not just any chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the softest, chewiest, scrumptious, tastiest cookies in the whole entire world. So make sure to watch the whole of this video to see my secret recipe. Now, before we start this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And why turn on those post notifications, you may ask? Well, it's so that you get notified every time I post a brand new video. I cannot wait to start baking, so let's get right into it. So first, we are gonna add half a cup of granulated sugar to our bowl. And then we are gonna add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar to our bowl. That just came out in one big lump, didn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's because it's been sitting there for quite a while. Next, we are gonna add half a cup of melted butter to our bowl. I have just melted mine on a saucepan. It doesn't look that appealing at the moment because we haven't mixed it in yet, but it is kind of part of the process. And then we are gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Here is the mixture, not looking at its finest, but we are gonna stir it in until there are no lumps. This looks pretty smooth to me. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, so my sister has decided to join me for the next step. Yeah, so you need to crack that egg into the bowl.
It's not crackable.
Let's see how well you do it.
Look at that.
Hey, well done. That is beautiful. That's a masterpiece. Okay, now let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, that actually smells so good. We are gonna mix this in until it is silky smooth. That looks so good to me, and it is also beginning to smell so good as well. We have a sieve right over here because we are now going to sieve in our baking soda and flour. So right over here I have a 1.25 cups of baking soda. Let's add that to the mix. And next we are gonna add half a teaspoon of baking soda, and that is because it is quite strong. Let's sieve. Let's mix this in. Wow, this is so satisfying. Believe me when I say it's satisfying, because it's really satisfying. It's kind of forming into like a nice sticky batter, which is just the right type of texture that cookies. let's try one. Wow, that tastes so good. It has such a lovely texture. It's really chewy and really soft, and I just think it tastes amazing. I guess that was it for today's video. It was such a fun process. Those cookies tasted so good. If you don't believe me, try them out for yourself. But please give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more food videos in the future. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!